So I'm Nick. I'm the head of developer relation with Otterize. So our company is a cybersecurity company, and we are focused around Kubernetes and security around distributed workloads. To be honest, I've been using Instruqt for 4 or 5 years now. So right now I'm using Instruqt for different reasons. So first off, right now at Kubecon, we've got a QR code here where people can scan this. This will lead to 2 short labs to discover some of our key use cases. On top of that, I'm also using Instruqt for traditional, workshops. Personally, this is the part I like the most, doing live workshop with Instruqt, because you have the engagement of the lab, plus you have someone to talk to for further explanations if people have issues. And I found that in the past, without Instruqt, I had to maintain all my Terraform environment, all my automation myself, image updates, all of that was really a pain in the neck. Now, of course, it's a lot easier. And the third one is mainly around hands-on webinars or hands-on meetups, because slides are cool, but I think over time it lacks engagement, at least with the labs. It gives people the opportunity to experience a better hands-on with the product, and also I leave people, if they want to do it at their own pace, live, they can do it. There's different people who like to learn different things in different ways. Like you want to learn by doing, by listening, by visualizing, right? So with Instruqt, we can do all 3. And on top of that, what I'm planning to do is also for all of our tutorials from our docs, basically an Instruqt lab for people who just want to click, run the commands, see the results in a much more guided environment. Yeah, so far people really enjoyed the labs, but at least they create also an account on our website, which is a good way to tie them, to our HubSpot system. And also with Instruqt, with the ability to have these webhooks and kind of get more information around people, I think this is great. Especially for us as a startup, with around 20 people in the company, we don't have marketing team. We are pretty much all developers. So having all the automation with Instruqt combined with HubSpot and other tools like Post.org actually make our life a lot easier. Where the product evolved the most is in the automation capabilities and the flexibility. So now every kind of student can have a dedicated IP address, which is great. Also the editor has, with the autosave kind of features, is a lot better. And for me as a lab builder is also the whole automation. The CLI has also evolved. It's easier to do pretty much with the dev workflow, which is great as well. So it was on the one side we had all these improvements for the user, the end user experience, but also as lab builders.